If ElevenLabs is not working for you, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons this happens and show you the fastest ways to fix it. We're going to cover the unusual activity, detected error, login issues, and generation problems when your audio refuses to process. By the end, you'll know exactly what to check so you can get back to creating audio without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the unusual activity detected error. This is one of the most common reasons ElevenLabs stops working properly, and it usually has nothing to do with the voice model itself. In many cases, the issue is caused by leftover browser cookies or site data that are conflicting with your session. So the first thing you should do is clear your browser's cookies and cached site data for ElevenLabs, then close your browser completely and open it again. After that, try signing back in and see if the error is gone. If that does not fix it, the next thing to check is your VPN. ElevenLabs may flag traffic that looks suspicious, especially if your IP address keeps changing or if your connection is routed through a location that looks unusual. Turn off your VPN completely and then refresh the page or log in again. In many cases, just removing the VPN connection is enough to restore normal access. Another reason this error can happen is if the account was flagged for unusual sign-up behavior. For example, using temporary emails or repeatedly creating accounts to farm free credits can trigger platform protection systems. If that applies to your account, try logging in with a standard Google account or another legitimate email you normally use. This gives the platform a more stable and trusted login method, which can help prevent repeated verification or access issues. Now, let's move on to generation delays and long text failures. If your audio will not generate, or if it gets stuck for a long time, the problem may simply be that the text is too long. ElevenLabs can struggle when you paste in a huge block of text all at once, especially if it contains too many sentences or paragraphs in one request. The easiest fix is to break your script into shorter sections. Instead of submitting one giant paragraph, separate the text into small, distinct paragraphs. This helps the system process the content more reliably and reduces the chance of timing out or failing during generation. If you have a long script, try generating it in pieces, then combine the finished audio afterward if needed. This is one of the simplest and most effective ways to avoid long text errors. It also helps to keep your formatting clean. Remove unnecessary spacing issues, broken lines, or extra symbols that might confuse the generator. A clear, structured script is much easier for the tool to process. If one paragraph still fails, shorten it further until the generation goes through. So to quickly recap, if you see the unusual activity detected error, clear your browser site data, turn off your VPN, and try a normal Google account login. And if generation is failing, split your text into shorter paragraphs so ElevenLabs can handle it more easily. Those two fixes solve a lot of the most common problems people run into. If this video helped you fix ElevenLabs, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.